Okay, open na. Ate will help you. Oh, na-open na yan eh. Dito. Ayan. Wait. Sa ating muna. Come on, click. Open it. Yes, Kuya King, sige.
Open it.
Pull that one. Pull. Whoa! Wow! What's that?
Para hindi ka manguubos ng coupon ban ko.
Nice! Wow! Come on, click!
Wow! May ganyan din ako na siya.
Yes, yeah, this one before.
Nasira ano?
Okay, keep opening it. Click.
Open it.
This one. Here, click. Here. She clicks sa atin.
Uy, dito na lang.
There, okay.
Wow!
Wow! Can you read it, Eli?
Okay, dito. Mexaster.
Yeah. Mega
Mega.
Sketcher. Yay! Say thank you to Kuya King.
Dapat. Bastos na buds.
Oh, like that.
Next. What is this, Daddy?
Thank you. Say hi to Uncle Brahmi.
Next.
Next from Tinkerbell.
Welcome!
Ayan, Ninong Tony.
Buti pa itong bata.
Pull.
Nasubukan nyo nung bata kayo ng ganyan?
Wala.
Oops, careful, Eli.
Wow.
Let me do it. Hanggang
Ano naman tayo? Meron pa sa atin tayo. Ano yung tore-tore?
Ang dami!
Dami.
Art stuff!
Mahilig kasi siya.
Minnie Mouse ka, oh. Kaya nga yung tinitingnan natin na.
Oo. Ay, buti na lang hindi tayo bumili. Thank you, Lord.
Next. Ate Eli's gift, oh. You
Ate
give it.
Eli's gift.
Here you go,
Ay, ang
Kama.
laman niya.
Here you go, Kama.
Pull
Click.
it here.
Next. That one. That's from Ate Eli.
It's for me. Wow. Wala pa.
Wala pa. Here.
Hmm.
Go. Whoa, what's that? Oh, what will you say to Ate Eli?
Kimas yung kulay yan.
What will you say to Ate Eli?
Abo.
Abol.
Abol.
Thank you,
ah.
ah.
What did you say?
Thank you.
Wawin nyo sa ilay.
You're welcome.
Next, from Ate Faith and Kuya Jeremiah. Next.
Those are my cousins.
Sinulat-sulatan
Your cousins. Game.
Ano?
Nasaan yung yung free na
Gift wrap.
may gift wrap dun sa ano, SM?
Bakit?
Wala sa ibang klase, panay pang ganyan.
Click. Open it again. Open it.
Hindi nila binibenta yun.
Whoa!
Prestige.
Ayaw.
What's
Kaya
that?
kahit magbayad, ayaw.
Maganda yung purple na.
Wow! Look at
What
that.
will you say to Ate Erin and Kuya Jeremiah?
Here in the video. Click here.
At the video.
You say thank you. Here. Yay. Next. Oh, that's from Grandma, yung baby. Oh, from Ninang Kulot, oh.
Wow!
Click. Show it to click. Click, you get some more stuff here.
Wow!
Click, look. Ipakita mo sa kanya. Let's try do it. Click here. Here, you get some more stuff. Look at this. Whoa!
And then that.
Art stuff mo na na. You get some more.
Wow!
Oh, I got a dress for, oh.
May dress kasi
This is from Mama Mer.
May regalo din si Mama.
From Mama
Nakita
Mer.
namin sila kanina sa SM.
Check it nga. Sige, pull it. Pull it off. Click. Check it out.
The dress! I thought it was a
Wow.
punas! I paper.
Election habang sa'yo yata yan.
This time from Tita Brenda. Come on.
Let's put.
Click a big one from Tita Brenda. Look, 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 look. Where are you na? Oh, come on. Yeah, dito, dito.
Turn the ball naman. Let's put the ball here.
Diba? Yung space ah.
Yeah.
Ako lang.
Ka-upload ko.
Ako walang space.
This.
Oh. Table? What's that?
Table. Yeah.
You need something to open, bakit?
Yeah, kung sa gilid, di ka naman ng-scratch tape.
Daddy, ito pa oh. Ito na lang ang susunod. Ah, touch the ball.
Yeah.
The bay.
Wait. And this is worth 50. That's all. That's all. Yay! Bumper Alcancia.
Click, come on. Check this out. Please,
Uy.
click.
Favorite color?
Sophie the bird. Cool.
Yung share muna kasi.
Yeah.
Ay, look at that.
Oh,
Oh.
may putok-putok pa.
Lee, hindi ka naman
Click, look.
Sorry. Sorry, everyone.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's open it up. What's this, Click? It's
You
a
know what? Yung mga gift-gift no?
Table.
Pang ano eh, mga arts na
Wow. It's Sophia the bird.
and a chair.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's only one chair naman.
We're gonna buy another chair na lang.
Okay lang na hindi mo binuksan lahat eh. Okay lang binuksan ko yung video na lang.
Up, Daddy, up.
Ay!
No, 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 wait, wait, wait.
The rainbow.
Ala, sinong nagubad sa baby?
Sino pa?
Lahat ito.
Sige.
Yung baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Ay, may
Yeah,
ito.
wow. Special na to.
Lee, kumupo ka na.
Oh, 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 sorry. Sorry, sorry.
Down na.
Who's this?
Wait, wait, wait.
Give this. Daddy, you gave this to Click.
Ay, si ano yan? Si... Ninang Kid.
Kuya doon, pupunta sana. Kaya lang, may ano sa mag-sermon tayo gano'n.
Ano ka, Loy? Magulaw ka na.
Wow, look at this, Click.
Say hi. Hi to Tita Brenda. Thank you po. Ano?
Quarter na kayo. Quarter na kayo. May ganyan ka rin. Dad.
And from Grand Marita again. Check this out, Click.
Okay, may spoon.
Si Mami nakakatawa. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Ako, 50. 10 lang.
This is jam.
Hindi nakabili ng mga
Grand
biscuit
Marita.
kanina, no?
Click. Open.